patients who come back with a bit of power after LASIK, what happens then?
Yeah, that's a very important part of patients' fear, and also an important part of patients that we deal with. Usually, the powers do not come back.
All right.
Because if it is done well in the sense pre-operative workup has been done well, usually we are confident. All the surgeons want to give them the patients the best of vision, but there are scenarios because of the corneal healing, the collagen fibers also. There is in the intrastructural microstructural point, sometimes there is a small power which comes around. It can be easily touched upon, and it's not a big factor. It is commonly done, retouch-ups are done, but before that I feel every patient should undergo detailed checkup to understand why it has come back. What do you feel?
No, the first thing we do is a detailed investigation to find out the reason behind the power coming back, and then address that particular problem. If it's cornea getting weaker, we have to address that. Or if it's just a natural increase in number which happens with age, then we have to treat that number. And we give patients all the modalities like redoing the LASIK. The patient can wear contact lenses also, and some patients feel that they can't wear contact lenses after LASIK, but definitely they can. And otherwise go back to glasses, which is the safest one.
Agreed. It's not common, but it does happen, and that's where the conclusions come that we can touch up, but of course the patient's complete eye checkup has to be done. And then if required, if everything is all right and it's just a normal aging process by which the power has come back, then yes, we can always touch upon it, which is not a very difficult procedure because the flap is already made, or the procedure the patient is already aware, so we know that the patient understands it and we can easily touch upon it if it is safe.